is not considered simplifying when you don't have the radical in the denominator. So you guys don't have to worry about it in this case. Whereas on your test, a lot of you guys got points taken away for this. But here, guys, we already have everything. The unit vector, if here's your vector v, which is 7, 4, the unit vector is just your vector divided by your magnitude. Well, fortunately, we found our magnitude, right, by just taking the square root of our first component, comma, added plus our second component. So therefore, this looks like this. 7, 4 divided by the square root of 65. OK? What are you talking about?
You said 7, 4. Is that?
Yeah, it's 7, 4. Look it, it's just like over here.
What? I'm saying, no, I'm feeling you. I'm just saying, like, if you have to put it, like, you have to solve it out. Like, is it in what? Like multiplying or something? How do you solve? How do you solve it with your calculator?
You're not solving it in the calculator. We haven't done anything with the calculator. You don't need to worry about the calculator right now. Yeah, and you wouldn't be plugging this in your calculator. No. So that's, you have to know what you're doing. You just can't plug things into a calculator. Yeah. So, however, I will expect you guys to simplify things. If you guys remember, if we looked over there in our problems, if you have something on the outside, if you're going to multiply, you distribute that to both of your terms, right? Well, here, it's going to be the exact same thing. We're going to distribute this amongst each one. So therefore, you could rewrite it as, you could also rewrite this as 1 over the square root of 65, 7, 4. That is the equivalent. Dividing by is the same as multiplying by a fraction, right? So therefore, the simplified version is 7 over the square root of 65, 4 over the square root of 65. That is your unit vector. Now, what I'd like you guys to do is let's go ahead and figure